Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a well-landscaped two-story home of 4,589 square feet with a view of the Caribbean Sea. House is located in Twin Palms Estate, Clarendon. Some features includes a double-car garage, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, powder room, movie theater, private balconies, bar, built-in bookshelf, office, guest room, and laundry room. There is also a 360 surveillance camera system, standby generator, water tanks, solar panels, AC units, custom curtains with rods and chic lighting fixtures. A swimming pool can complement the adjoining lot that boasts a 250 square feet gazebo, manicured lawn, and 390 square feet upper floor bar with ground level kitchen. Plus, is an earth restrooms illuminated by solar lighting. Manned security, a fishing pond, are in Twin Palms Estate gated community. The Bypass, Highway and Millennium Mall, Sagicor Bank, Popeyes, select grocers and Little Caesars are 5 minutes away. The home plus lot can be purchased together, or the home can be purchased separately. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The home plus lot can be purchased for Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. The house by itself is for Jamaican 54 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.